Hi guys, it's your girl Peace. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you want to learn more about makeup, what are you waiting for now? Subscribe right now and don't forget to turn on your post notification so you always know when I post a new video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my smoky eyes. I'm going to be giving you guys all the details. I've already done my brows, as you can see. I actually did an updated eyebrow tutorial, how I do my eyebrows. Go and check it out on my channel if you want to see how I did my brows. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Besides that, I'm going to do every other thing. I set my eyes with this. It's a color correcting palette. I use the white. It makes your eyeshadow pop. I'm going to be using one of Marykay's eyeshadow palettes. This is big. Here's what it looks like on the inside. Eyeshadow and blush. All the ones here are blushes and it's very affordable.
Using the pink shade, I'm going to go around my crease with it. I'm just going to tap it around my eye socket. Then without using force, blend it out. Just below your eyebrow, blend it very well. Then taking the black shade, I'm just going to tap it in where I didn't use the pink shade. Then I'm going to carefully start tapping it in to meet the pink shade. This is what it should look like. Then I'm going to start blending both colors in. I added a little bit of black there to make the transition look more believable. Take your time when blending. Your blending makes your makeup. It's now like a purplish color. Now using the silver shade, I'm going to use that for my inner eye corners.
The eyes are totally coming together. And in a smoky eye, you don't need eyeliner or winged liner or whatever. No, you don't need that. But a smoky eye is not complete without lashes. I'm totally loving these lashes, guys. Next, we're going to prime.
Next, I'm going to apply my foundation. I haven't used this foundation in a while, so I decided to give it a try. Just tap in when blending, don't drag it. And be very careful with where you apply your eyeshadow. This concealer is very thick, so I decided to use very little product. Again, tap in when blending, don't drag it around. Don't forget that your blending makes your makeup. I'm going to leave a list in the description of all the products that I used during this tutorial video. I'm just baking with the powder. I'm not going to blend it in yet. So while we let the powder bake, I'm just going to go on ahead and do the lips, and we're going to start by lining the lips. I'm going to use the lip pencil to thicken the lines around the lips to give it that kind of ombre effect. Next, I'm going to use my nude lipstick. Just tap the lipstick in, but be careful when tapping in because I overdid it right there.
Ooh.
So I just used the lip pencil to correct it and it turned out pretty nice. I was actually tempted to use the lip gloss, but I didn't want lip gloss for this look. Now using the pink shade, I'm going to go in underneath my eyes. I'm going to be using a very bright highlight for this look.
I don't like highlighting my forehead because I have a massive forehead.
And that's it for this tutorial, guys. I'm totally loving this look. I look so matured. And of course, I'm going to be showing you guys the details. So beautiful.
So guys, that is it for today's video. I'm totally loving this look and I hope you love it as much as I do. Don't forget the 4 things I always ask you guys to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment what you think about this look. Ask me questions. Just interact with me. Subscribe to my channel, very important, and share this video to your friends or anyone you think it will help. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.